You may have seen this type of viral short video on Instagram and YouTube, getting millions of views just by destroying luxury cars. As you can see in this video, a rock falls onto the car, but the car remains intact. But here's the crazy part. He's not actually destroying anything. The videos are 100% AI generated. He's uploaded just 25 videos, and some of them have millions of views. And yes, he's making thousands of dollars from it. One of his videos got 196 million views on Instagram. Almost every video goes viral, as you can see. Even his first ever video hit 3.5 million views just like that. Now you might be thinking, why are people so hooked on these videos? It's because they're built around suspense. Like in one clip, there's a giant rock about to crush a car. Viewers can't look away because they're wondering, will it crash? Will it escape? That tension keeps people glued to the video until the very end. And when people watch the full video, the Instagram and YouTube algorithms push it to even more people. Today, I'm going to show you how you can create these viral AI videos for free. No expensive software, no crazy editing skills. Stay with me until the end, because I'll also show you how to make unlimited videos like this. Start growing your account fast. Step 1. Copy the prompts. First, I've made things easy for you. I've put all the prompts you need in a document. The link is in the description below. Just open it and copy the simple prompts. If you want to create your own version, here's another great idea. Take a screenshot of the footage. Go to ChatGPT, click the plus icon in the prompt box, and upload the screenshot. Then, ask ChatGPT to generate an image prompt based on it. ChatGPT will give you a detailed image prompt you can use or modify as needed. As you can see, the prompt is ready. Now, just copy the prompt. Step 2. Generate the image. Now we turn the text into an image. For that, we'll use a free tool called Ideogram AI. You can also use Pickelman, Leonardo AI if you want. But for a realistic AI image, Ideogram is perfect. Go to Ideogram AI. In the prompt box, paste the image prompt you got from ChatGPT. Below the box, select the aspect ratio 9:16. Next, choose the image style, Realism. Once everything is set, click Generate. In just a few seconds, your image will be ready. Step 3. Turn images into videos. Now we have our images. Let's bring them to life. We'll use Pixverse AI, another free and easy tool. We can also use Kling AI. Go to Pixverse AI and log in. You will get 60 tokens per day as a free user. In the prompt box, click the plus icon and upload your image. Then, paste this prompt into the prompt box. The yellow tractor drops the stone and the stone hits the car and breaks it. But the car is not damaged. Dynamic scene. After that, select an audio effect. Once everything is ready, click Generate, and in just a few seconds, your video will be ready. Let's try it with Kling AI. Go to Kling AI and click Create. Once you're on the dashboard, click the plus icon to upload your image. In the prompt box, paste the same prompt you used in Pixverse AI. Then click Generate. In just a few moments, your video will be ready. Simply download it. And that's it. Now you know how to create viral AI videos easily.